We have one more weekend until Springfest, and this car is not ready yet. So today, that's what we're gonna be doing. The car is currently without a lip on the front because I was going in for an alignment. That didn't work. We're gonna rock with the no alignment, but we are working on the ride height. My goal for the ride height is to go fender to approximately the lip of the tire here. I would do the lip of the rim, but I'm just work with me here. This is my first time doing it. The back also is rocking the beater's rear bumper because I'm getting the clear coat peel replaced. Same thing with the back. We're gonna try and go down for the lip right here. Even if we do like half the tire, I just want it to somewhat tuck at least. I think that's the most important part, or our objective today. As for the beater bumper, this thing looks badass with a mismatched rear bumper. It definitely suits the vibe. What do you guys think? Should we just rock the beater bumper for, you know, the rest of this life of this car? I'm gonna bring this out to the road, get some measurements, and we are gonna dump it. So tomorrow, this car will be receiving its full detail, polish and everything. It'll look beautiful. Probably gonna wait on the wheels though. We'll see, but everything should be pretty much ready to go for Springfest, except maybe the headlights. This March is gonna be madness. This needs to get detailed. We're doing the ride height right now. I'm getting my wisdom teeth pulled next week, which will be the 10th, or I'm getting them pulled on the 7th. So I'm basically wasting the last weekend before our first car show. It's probably when I'll do all the vinyl and everything, like the new banners and stuff. For our ride height in the front, I believe we're gonna be doing about 1 inch. I can't go any lower than that. What is this? Bruh. Rip off. I got ripped off. Well, I guess we're going for max out, bottom out of coilover. So here's the maxed out of these scale extreme low version coilovers. I couldn't even reach the top, which was only 1 inch, and I wanted a bit more than 1 inch. So we're gonna have to see how that looks. We might not ever be able to reach that tuck that we wanted on these. Well, we might, we'll see. This is actually probably extremely low. We'll see, we'll see. Let's do the other side real quick. I'm gonna drop down this side so I can lift up the other side. Oh my God. I think we're ready to go to a car show. Oh my God, I am gonna rub this thing away, dude. Okay, I don't think I'm ready for this. I might have to do some more clearancing. There's our new ride height. This looks a lot lower in person, for sure, for sure. There is still a lot of gap in there. So, I think I'll rock this for the show. Or I might throw a 3mm spacer on, because I do have those. But I think I can take some camber out. But I think I might just run the 3mm. With that being said, I think I'm gonna have to pull this out somehow and do a little bit of trimming in there. I'm gonna quickly adjust the other front, and then I'm gonna take it for a test drive and just see how it goes. Same with this side too. This side also maxed out at, I would assume, the same spot. This one almost looks like it went lower. Yeah, it's about the same. You guys have no idea how low this thing feels to the ground right now. That is this side, and then this side. Would you consider that tucked? Let's try driving this, because this might suck. Oh my God, I can't even stick my hand in there. Oh, this is, what am I doing? I think I heard some. I hear a little bit of rub. Oh yeah. She's chewing it. Hold on, I gotta see what this looks like. Damn. Look at that. That is low sauce. That's scary low, dude. Alright, we gotta bring that up a bit. Okay, update. So I just took it for another spin. I don't think I'm clearancing this because it is a bang. like very, very loud. So this is a problem. Why did I pick this life, man? I just want to go race cars. Why am I doing this? Mazda 3 for sale, stiff springs, cool lifestyle. Hit me up. Let's try this again, shall we? I think this is like pretty close to what I had it at before. Okay, we're about to smoke it. Okay, so a little bit of rub on the right side. Now we do the rears, and the rears are the worst part. As for the fronts, well, you tell me. We didn't really go down a whole lot. I think this side is just a hair taller than the other side. So I've just gone ahead and done the rear. I knew it was gonna be a pain in the ass, so I just kind of went focus mode on that. The rears are done and adjusted. Gonna go ahead and drop this down, and hopefully, I'm praying everything lines up. Did it even go any lower, dude? This side did. Let's pull this out. Because this side's like a lot, and then this side's like dumb. So here is the rear on this side. We did go down a bit. Biggest objective was kind of trying to line up with this. Obviously we're not even close. And there's still a lot of room. And the side is pretty much perfectly equal to the other side, which is awesome. With that being said, this is our new ride height. Oh yeah, definitely have gone a little bit lower. Not a lot, but it definitely looks like that tire's in that fender now. Versus before, it kind of looked like there was some pretty good gap in there. So I think I'm happy with this. And with not having a lot of time, and the reason why I can't really dial in and go that much lower with like camera and everything, I just don't have enough time today. And then next weekend's wisdom teeth, I won't have time then. So I think this is how we're gonna go to the show. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's pretty much level. I would like to tuck the rears. I think that's like my main goal with this car, is get the rears to tuck. If I can set up a day for this whole car and just nail out the camera and everything in the front, do some adjustment and everything, I should be able to get this to the max low on the fronts, or at least even just a little bit more. But I'm really, really happy with how this turned out. It wasn't tucked like we wanted to, but we made some progress and it looks so much better. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe and leave a like on the video, comment down below. Like I said, we are good on the ride height for now. We will continue trimming and dealing with that front. I think the rear is good to tuck, so we just have to deal with the front, and then we should be good to go a little bit lower. I hope to see you at Springfest. Till next weekend. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.